Random passers-by, who filmed a video on a mobile phone, managed to capture a terrible footage of a car accident, in which the driver died. At first, eyewitnesses didn't see anything strange and mystical when passing by a terrible place of a car accident. But after a while reviewing the creepy video that they shot, they suddenly noticed something that was not there at all when they were filming. On the video, a phantom of a headless man appeared out of nowhere, who stood near the corpse of the driver.